Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Okay, so this is the first time giving the dogs a chicken foot. Now mind you, it is a little frozen, but as you see here, Tank is eating any and everything. He's not playing. Summit, she is like, what the heck is this? Tank is going to town. He's having a ball. 4 months old. Summit, 10 months old, is like a lady. Like, I don't know about this. But I'm going to tell you one thing. As soon as Tank finishes eating his, he's going to roll over and attack Summit for hers. Well, he's not going to attack her, but he's going to go over and he's going to basically take it. So she better enjoy it. What I'll do tonight before they go to bed, I'll put Tank in his cage and let him eat one and let Summit eat hers by herself. I guess she got it. But he's really going to town. He's just like, okay, I'm good. There we go. Back and forth like, wait a minute, it gotta be another piece over here somewhere. What's up, good boy? I know. You ate yours already. Leave her alone. Let her eat hers. Tank, get over it. Tank, cut it out. Go, hey, Tank, no. Tank, what I say? Go over here. Come here, sit down. Leave her alone. Okay, good boy. Leave her alone. Let her eat hers. Let her take her time and be a lady. That's funny. She taking too long. Tank ready to get at it. He like, yo, Dad, like, stop playing with me, yo. What's good? I'm about to show her how it goes. Hey, come here. Tank, what I say? Leave her alone. That's not cool. Let her eat hers in peace. We don't have no fighting going on and stuff like that in here. Everybody takes their turn. Everybody gets equal. We don't do that here. He gonna end up taking that. Come here. I'm not gonna let you do it, man. I'm gonna hold you until she finishes, because she need to go ahead. That's funny. Pissed now. She ain't paying him no attention. Yeah, I know. I know you want to go, but hey, you gotta chill. Chill. I know you kidding. Hey, I know you're not trying to bite me. You better cut it out. Tank, get over here and sit down. Sit. Don't be like that. We don't do that here. Hey, cut it out. Cut it out. Good boy. Relax. We don't do that. You got food in your bowl and everything's all good. Okay, she ate that quick. Let me let him go now. Look at him. Yeah, we gonna keep him in check early because He not gonna start doing that. We do not attack the hand that feeds you. We don't do that. We don't attack fellow puppies or anything. This is a happy home right here. Get out of her Tank, get out of there. What I say? Bad dog. Go to your food. There you go. You know where yours is. Y'all both have the same. Funny, sneaky. 4-month-old big boy. Uh-oh, uh-oh. What's that? Good girl. What's that? Oh, the garbage man's coming. Good girl. What's that? Good girl. All right, good girl. You hear that, Tank? What's that? What's that? Good girl. What's that? Good girl. What's that? What's that? What's that? Good boy. What's that? Good girl. Good girl. Yes. I'm not really sure what I'm barking at, but hey, what are you doing? Are you kidding me? There you go. I really want to play. Go ahead, play with Summit. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the first feeding of chicken feet for the first time. Sharing is caring. You know, everybody has their own.